All right, so we just got our first snow of the season here in Missouri. I'm going to show you how the kids play. Hey, Luke, what are you doing? What are you helping me do? We're going to clear what? The steps, yeah, of snow. Show me how you do it. Show me. Always wear gloves for this. Where's your gloves? Can you show me? Yeah. Are those keeping you warm? Yeah. Hi, Pixel. Does Pixel love this snow too? Hi. Oh, thank you. Yeah, keep clearing it up. They're using their little shovels. Hi, Dawson. Do you like the snow?
I know.
We like the snow. Dean. Oh, man. How much snow is on that shovel? Show me.
1, 2.
Oh, man. That is so good. Okay, make a little pile. Oh, don't put it. You're silly. Pixel might not be happy for you. All right, so we're going out in the snow. It's a nice day. It's a lovely day. I know, I see it. Show me, let's see. Let me see, what did you grab? Can I see? Can I see? Can I see? Oh man, he loves this snow. Yeah, let's go get it. That's a good idea. Where'd you find that at? Oh, Luke found the sled. Come on, let's start at the top. All right, we're gonna get this situated. They love to try the snow. All right, let's go to the very top of the hill. All right, let's get them going. There they go. I gotta give them a push. Whee! Dean is having fun in the forest. What are you doing over there? You're eating? What are you eating? Oh man, kids, he loves to eat it. We just went through the forest. It's starting to fill up quite a bit out here. There he is. Hi. They're having some sledding fun. Guys, so we're having a really fun snow day. The boys are love doing some sledding and doing some snow shoveling. What do you guys do on a snowy day? I'd like to know. You can see here's Dawson with the snow shovel. Yeah, he's trying to shovel up this snow. Love it. And there's Dean. What are you doing again, Dean? Dean's eating snow. He loves to eat it. And here's, there's Luke. He's trying to climb the tree. That's not a great idea in the snow, but it's all about what you love to do. All right, we're probably going to get some hot cocoa next. All right. I hope you guys are having fun on your snowy day as well. Bye.